I'm going to show you how to upload files in Kartra. Hi everyone, it's Kevin from Solopreneur, and I find it hilarious that I even have to make this video, but I remember when I first started using Kartra, I had this question, and that is, how do you frigging upload files? How the heck do you do this? And it took me a little bit of Googling and searching within the tool. Can't quite remember how I found it, but for whatever reason, this is actually not that intuitive and they've put it in a really strange place. So without further ado, let me show you how to do that, just in case you're like me and you're just wondering, where the heck is this? So not much to it, but let me show you where it is. So for whatever reason, it's actually under memberships and then it's under files. So that's right. Even if these files have absolutely nothing to do with a membership, you still have to find them there for whatever reason. For example, here's an asset that I provide for free in one of my landing pages. Again, has nothing to do with a membership, but it has to be held here. If you want to add a file, you just go to upload and then you can set a category and you can upload your file. Pretty easy from there, but if you were wondering where it is, that's where it is, memberships and files. So probably the quickest Kartra video I've ever made, but hopefully that helps you out if you were looking for that solution. I have a ton of Kartra content on the channel, so definitely check that out and like and subscribe if you want more great content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.